Hey everybody, welcome to Studio 64. My name's David. I've been searching the interzones for some more science, space, and tech news to share with you, and I came across this over at rt.com. This should be interesting. ChatGPT maker is ignoring fatal threat posed by AI, according to an insider. Very, very interesting. Yes, the future advances in AI technology could destroy or catastrophically harm humanity, a researcher told the New York Times. Now, OpenAI is aware of major risks if it succeeds in building an artificial general intelligence or AGI system, but is ignoring them. Daniel Coco-Tallo, a former researcher at the US technology firm, has warned in an interview with the New York Times. Yeah, as I've always said, I have no problem with any new technology, but with AI, let's just say I want to be able to control it, not the other way around. That's why I've done a number of videos on Microsoft's Copilot Plus, integrating AI into everything. It sounds good, sounds convenient, but you lose control. Your PC literally starts controlling you, what you think, what you can type. And what I mean by what you think, it doesn't read your mind. But when you're typing stuff, you have to be careful. Otherwise, you'll break Microsoft's terms and conditions. The AI will check it out. Next thing, you can't use your computer. So you have to second guess yourself every 5 minutes to make sure you're not thinking wrong think, you know? What if I put down my personal opinion? Is that something the government wouldn't like? That's exactly what's happening with AI. You become a tool of the AI, not the other way around. That's why I moved over to Linux. I can use AI as a standalone application, and then it doesn't affect the rest of my system. It's like a standalone word processor or spreadsheet program. I close that down, it's done. It doesn't permeate my entire system. So I can still use it as a tool, like a hammer or a drill or whatever I want. Fascinating. Digitally, of course. AGI is a hypothetical type of artificial intelligence capable of understanding and reasoning across a broad range of tasks. Now, the technology, if successfully created, would replicate or forecast human behavior while demonstrating an ability to learn and reason. Now, according to Cocotello, who left OpenAI's governance team in April, the chance that advanced AI will wreck humanity is around 70%, but the San Francisco-based developer is pushing ahead with it regardless. Yeah, see, the AI we've got at the moment is fairly basic, right? It's the AGI, this artificial general intelligence that's the concern, because it has the ability, it's capable of understanding and reasoning. This is what makes AI different to humans. It's very interesting. OpenAI is really excited about building AGI, and they are recklessly racing to be the first there, the former employee told the paper. Again, it's a tool. We have to control it, not go helter-skelter, crazy lunacy face first into it. That's the part that concerns me. The 31-year-old researcher also said that after he joined OpenAI 2 years ago and was tasked with forecasting the technology's progress, he came to the conclusion that the industry would not only develop AGI by 2027, but that there was a strong chance the technology would catastrophically harm or even destroy humanity, according to the New York Times. Now, the former staffer said he told OpenAI CEO Sam Altman that the corporation should pivot to safety and spend more time and resources on countering the risks posed by AI rather than continuing to make it smarter. Cocotello claimed Altman agreed with him, but that nothing has changed since then. Yeah. Now, Cocotello is part of a group of OpenAI insiders who recently released an open letter urging AI developers, including OpenAI, to establish greater transparency and more protections for whistleblowers. Yeah, it is very interesting, isn't it? I just did a video recently on Javier Milei, Argentina, new Argentinian presidents working with artificial intelligence, big tech, to use the artificial intelligence systems in their public service, seeing as he's slashing everything left, right, and centre. So it should be interesting, actually. I'm a bit of a fan of his style I love the way he goes in and goes, out, out, out. You'll not do this, out. And he's just no mucking around, no, we've got to cut costs. That's out, that's out, that's out. He's about as subtle as a hand grenade, and I find him quite entertaining. And dear, oh dear, David, you're getting worse as you get older. OpenAI has defended its safety record amid employee criticism and public scrutiny, saying that the company is proud of its track record in providing the most capable and safest AI systems and believes in its scientific approach to addressing tasks. We agree that rigorous debate is crucial, given the significance of this technology, and we will continue to engage with governments, civil society, and other communities around the world, the New York Times cited the tech firm as saying. My issue with that is, I hope it's true, Sam Altman, that OpenAI is doing this. Rigorous debate is crucial, and the significance of the technology, because you've just got, they're a big company, let's trust them. Well, you've just had 5 major brand automotive companies get busted in Japan for lying about safety standards. Now, is that the safety standards are too rigorous and they couldn't do them, or they'd never get the cars out, or did they cut corners? These brands in Japan are absolutely huge. I won't name them, but you can certainly Google it. And people are going, wow, I thought that was one of the safest cars on the road. Yeah. So when it comes to statements like this, right, I'm hoping that that's on the up and up, because we know how important this is with artificial intelligence, because it's bigger than all of us. It's a massive leap. It's like the introduction of the internet. People don't see what it's capable of doing yet. I remember when the internet first came out, no one had any idea what was going on. Absolutely fascinating, which is understandable because we, no idea. But looking at artificial intelligence, it's not going to be 20 years before it's part of our everyday life. It's going to be 5 years. So it's well within the bounds of, everybody using it. People go, that's ridiculous. I said, hey, you use the internet every single day of your darn life and you don't even think about it. It's everywhere. It's, and AI is now going to be, integrated with that. So within a couple of years, the base infrastructure is already there for the AI to latch onto our internet structure and use it. And the next thing you know, to say within about 5 years, you'll have AI everything. AI will be in your TVs, it'll be in your refrigerators, your Internet of Things, your smart fridges. It'll be in your watches. It'll be in your eyeballs, because if you ever have to have a body part replaced, there'll be some AI in there somewhere. Maybe that won't happen for a while yet, but all your little doodads and gadgets, definitely. And your glasses, smart glasses. You think they're, when you go from sunlight to shade and all that sort of thing, when you've got what do they call them? Reactive lenses. I don't know what they're called. You know what I mean? You're going to have artificial intelligence in your glasses. You're going to have artificial intelligence in your toothbrush and your toilet. And people are going, David, you're a maniac. Why the hell would I have AI in my toothbrush? I said, because what will happen is it'll be, while it's in there, it's checking your teeth, and it'll send off a message to your dentist, and the dentist will set up it'll set up an appointment with your dentist. It's time for your checkup because you've got a little bit of decay there, pal. And why would I want AI in my toilet? Well, the next thing you know, a message is sent off to your doctor saying, looks like you may need a bowel scan. Yeah. And can check for any other illnesses and get onto them before they take root. A lot of people don't think about that sort of stuff. So AI is going to permeate every aspect of our existence, whether we like it or not. And we have to make sure that we control the tool, not the other way around. We don't want a Skynet situation. And if you don't know what Skynet is, Google that as well. Good luck. All right, well, my name is David. Thanks for joining me for another Studio 64 Science, Space and Tech News update. I shall see you in the next one. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, subscribe. I'd greatly appreciate it. If you're up for it, drop a comment down below the video, because I'd love to hear what you think. All right, take care. And as I always say, if you can't be good at it. And as I also always say, my brain